On Monday, the Supreme Court refused to apply for an appeal from the Minnesota Ex-Cop Derek Chauvin, who was convicted of George Floyd's Commemoration Day. Chauvin and legal team argued that 2021 trial in Minneapolis was held during political turmoil and that jury was acquitted with more violent rebellions. This criminal case has provided the highest amount of hearing in history. Chauvin's lawyer William Morhmann appeals. He said, Minneapolis deploys National Guards throughout. The Minnesota Supreme Court also refused to hear the case by effectively supporting Chauvin's conviction. Derek Chauvin shows new evidence showing that George Floyd did not cause his death, showing he is trying to overthrow the conviction Floyd on May 25, 2020 after Chauvinin kneeling around his neck for about 10 minutes despite his screams of not breathing. George Floyd death. Former Minneapolis police officer says he didn't look good when he saw Floyd's face. Hennepin District Judge Peter Cahill. The jury members of the second, third degree and second, then sentenced Chauvin to 22.5 years in prison. The new evidence showing Floyd showed that Floyd was not killed last week. If he knew the theories of a Kansas pathologist in 2021, he offered a separate movement would never be guilty in 2021. Derek Chauvin was sentenced to 21 years in prison for violating George Floyd's civil rights. The of Floyd led to a firestorm of protests and uprisings in the U.S. and even Europe. Judgment saw police regions, small businesses and vehicles burning in cities and small towns around the country.